Hello, dear students. Welcome. I'm going to talk about the introduction of phonetics and phonology. What are the different branches of phonetics? What is the main differences between phonetics and phonology? Being based on this topic, I'm going to discuss in this video. I'd like to request all the viewers, all the dear students, watch the video till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. That always motivate me to make such kind of video in the days to come. Now let's discuss about phonetics. Phonetics and phonology. Here, phonetics, the word phon means sound and tics means scientific or systematic study of something. So we can say that phonetics means scientific or systematic study of human speech sound. This shows phonetics means the study of human speech sound. Generally, phonetics is a general study of all human speech sound and how they are produced, how they are transmitted, and how they are received. That come under phonetics. Means we can say that phonetics means that study of all speech sound which are produced, transmitted, and received. That is phonetics. Now, there are different branches of phonetics. The study of phonetics can be divided into three branches. One is articulatory phonetics. Articulatory phonetics means how sounds are produced. That means we need to know how sounds are produced. That is articulated phonetics. And next one is auditory phonetics. Auditory phonetics means how sounds are received. How sounds are received. That is auditory phonetics. And then next branch of phonetics is acoustic phonetics. Acoustic phonetics means how sounds are transmitted. Means we have to know that in under the branch of phonetics, how sounds are produced, that is articulated phonetics, how sounds are received, that is auditory phonetics, how sounds are transmitted, that is acoustic phonetics. Now let's discuss this idea in detail. Here articulated phonetics, it is concerned with the positions and movements of the lips, tongue, and other speech organs in producing speech. It analyzes how the various speech sounds are articulated by vocal organs. Here our concentration should be on how the speech sounds are articulated by the different vocal organs, that is lips, tongue, and other speech organs in articulatory phonetics. Next one is auditory phonetics. Auditory phonetics, that is the study of hearing and the perception of speech sound. Means how we perceive the speech sound. That comes under auditory phonetics. And next one is acoustic phonetics. In acoustic phonetics, that is the branch of phonetics which is concerned with the properties of sound waves. Here it studies the physical properties of speech sounds yet transmitted between the mouth and the ear, and that is the transmitting of the sound transmitter of the sound. Here we need to know in the acoustic phonetics. Then discuss about the phonology. Here phonology means phonology is a broader study of major speech sound and their organization in a particular language. That means phonology is the study of the sound system of particular human languages, include dialects and other language varieties. That studies about particular study of the particular human languages under the phonology. Whereas phonetics, it shows the that is sound speech, especially it studies about the speech sound. Now let's discuss about some ideas regarding the phonetics and phonology. Differences between phonetics and phonology. The main differences between phonetics and phonology is that of generality and particularity. Okay, general concept and particular concept. Especially phonetics concern with the general concept, whereas phonology concern with the specific concept there. So let's discuss about the main differences between phonetics and phonology here. Phonetics deals with production, transmission, and reception of all human speech sounds in general, with no particular reference to any one language. No, it studies about all types of human speech sound, phonetics. But on the other side, phonology deals with the ways those sounds are organized in a particular language. It is subcategory of phonetics. So under the phonetics, phonology comes there. So that means we get to know phonetics is that is general concept, whereas phonology is particular concept. So phonetics it deals with the that is producing, transmitting, and perceiving of all types of human speech sound. But on the other side, phonology it deals with the sounds that are organized in particular language, that is phonology. So that is the main difference between phonetics and phonology. We need to consider this. Then why the study of phonetics is important? Then the question is here. Knowledge of phonetics is a must for a learner of English language. This knowledge enables the students, uh, each and every person, to give a true description of sounds of English and how they are made. So we, for that purpose as well, we need to know about the phonetics. And next one is to point out the mistakes in learners' pronunciation and help them learn the correct form. So for that purpose as well, we need to learn about phonetics. And next one is to differentiate sounds of English from those of the mother tongue. So according to the mother tongue, the sounds of English may vary there. So for that purpose as well, we need to learn, we need to study the phonetics. Therefore, phonetics, the history of phonetics is really highly significant and really important there. We get to know. And next concept is phonemes. A phoneme is a unit of sound in a speech, especially the unit of sound in a speech is phonemes. A phoneme does not have any inherent meaning by itself, but when you put phonemes together, they can make words. Think of when adults try to get a baby to say his or her first word, they often coax him or her to sound out the beginning of the word by repeating that the sound or phoneme over and over by saying something like ma, ma, or mommy. Mom, that is mommy, that is just repeating this word for repeating the letters for a word. The ma sound, often written as ma, is an example of phoneme here. So that we can say phoneme is a unit of sound in a speech. That is the concept of this phoneme. So now we are at the end of our video. In this video, I discuss about phonetics and phonology. I also talk about the branches of phonetics and the main difference between phonetics and phonology. I hope student will get the concept. If you have any confusion regarding this linguistic about the language, phonetics, phonology, don't forget to put a comment on this video, uh, and hope to meet you in our next video. Don't forget to like and share this video. Till then, goodbye, take care.